What's up guys, it's Sean from Window Tint Warriors. Today you're gonna see the day in the life of Sean at Shantech Auto Spa. Let's show you what it's like to run a tint shop and tint cars every day. We're gonna start with the 17 Tacoma and I'm gonna get right to it. So we use Expel D.I.Y software for the pre-cuts for the window tint and the paint protection film, but obviously I'm doing window tint right now. We're doing the two front doors on this Tacoma, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut those out with Expel Prime CS 35% on a 40-inch roll. Make sure everything's set up right, and start with the prep process while this is cutting. Now if you guys wanted to learn how to tint one of these, I actually have a vehicle specific video for this exact vehicle. 15 minutes early. When your employees show up early, that's a good thing. Just make sure they don't clock in early. So we got our pre-cuts ready to go. A little mix up with the plotter. What's up, man? You wanna be famous? Guess not. So with this whole coronavirus thing, I'm expecting this to be one of the busiest weeks I've ever had in my life because no one's gonna be at work, no one's gonna be at school, no one's gonna be at a gathering bigger than 50 people. So why wouldn't they all just wanna come here? They can't go grocery shopping. So I just ordered a pallet full of Expel window film and I'm ready. We're filming a day in the life. Day in the life of tinting windows all day. Ernesto, the videographer, and this is
Hello.
Mr. Jimenez, the new detailer. So last night I was talking to a customer who submitted a quote request a while ago, and he's bringing his 2020 Grand Cherokee to get Ground Pro Gold package. So you're gonna wash that, decontaminate it, another clay bar, iron X, typical dawn wash, and we do a one-step polish on it based on the condition of the paint. If it looks worse than what a one-step polish can do, I'll educate them what it's gonna look like. You can expect some micro imperfections if they are there, and then we coat it up. So that'll be a 2-day project. Probably go spend the rest of the day tomorrow on that. Today I have the Porsche coming down at 9. The Porsche is going to get the silver package, but he's going to get leather cleaning and conditioning. Okay. So you're going to condition the leather as well.
Okay. Just can't get this. I do it every day over the car.
Good. And the calls begin. All right, I'll see you then. No worries.
You're welcome.
Can't get mad at late customers, you know. And the last one. So in case you guys are watching and you currently have a window tinting business and you're always having customers ask you what window film will match the two front doors the best to the factory tinted back on a Tacoma or any other vehicle, Expel Prime window film, the color tone matches the factory color. Aside from other manufacturers not really matching that color, they have like a brownish, greenish, yellowish tone. Expel Prime has like a neutral black tone which actually matches the factory tone. But on the Tacoma, percentage wise, it's 35%. It'll match it up really nice. Most other vehicles, it's 20%. And the pressure's on. This one's done, and I got 3 other customers here, so I'll be right back. Give it a nice dawn wash, and then interior is the main thing that he wants to focus on, and obviously the wheels.
Yep.
Get the wheels all nice, the wheel wells, all the cracks.
Door jams, all that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Focus on the interior, like scrub it up really nice.
Okay.
But be careful on the outside.
Gotcha.
Ugh, look at that. Daddy! My car will be here in a little bit. It said 10 minutes. Oh, she's got 2 minutes left.
Those new rims?
You gotta take a picture like this.
Thumbnail?
So, when you own a business, I'm not promoting 7-Eleven. When you own a business and you run it yourself and you have no one else other than, now I have a detailer, shit gets stressful. But then when there's nothing to do, it gets boring. Very bored right now. And I'm itching to tint the window. This 2020 Honda Accord is getting 20%. Let's do it. See if I can put my pouch on walking in a circle. Woo! Gotta have some fun, you know? Holy shit. Alkaline water should do the trick. Alright, let's do it. Start pre-cutting this 2020 Expel DAP. The best. That's Al, the UPS guy. What's up, Al?
What's going on?
You want to be famous?
Oh shit!
He's a good guy. See this right here? If any of you guys know Dean Mitchell and you use Expel DAP, any cut or any pattern that's laid out like this, Dean or his new pattern cutter created these patterns. So you could just thank him for that. I'm gonna start the prep process. Drink a little Sevs. Get to it. Let's actually have a little fun here. Let's see how fast I can tint this 2020 Accord with a pre-cut, which I already have the two fronts cut with prep. Ready? And let's do it. Let's get hot. Too hot. No razors. Yes, that was real speed. Number one question asked when I razor blade windows. Gotta test it. I always like to tint the quarter windows first to make sure they're completely tacked up before the car leaves. Alakazam, Sam the Lamb. Always check the top edge to make sure it's sealed before you roll it up. See, when a tint is sliding around a lot like this, tack it into place first and then adjust it. It'll be a little bit more tacky. And then adjust as you go. A lot of slip in my solution. If it still continues to move around a lot, heat it up from the outside, and it'll tack up right away in your next tack. What?
Things like this. The steam would come in handy.
What is it?
Probably gum or a fruit roll up.
Put it to the side, we'll take care of it.
Okay.
On your break, just lick it out.
Okay.
All right. So this time around in this window, I'm definitely going to put a lot less slip solution so I don't get that tack problem. Ooh. Nice. There it is. It's shrinky time. See right here why I leave the quarter glass windows. If you can get up close, even on this one here, this water bubble here is the exact reason I let the quarter glass windows on the Honda Accord sit, because the water puddles down there. If you let it sit for a little bit and then you push it out, it'll stick into place. And then we'll hit it with some heat on the outside right before it leaves.
Pizza pie.
It's all about patience. Patience is the virtue. Patience mixed with speed is the key. Because time is money. The thing I hate about these back decks that have this speaker grid on it, if you rub your hand on it, it's like sandpaper on your skin. It just rips your skin off. Be careful of that. And in order to be a window tinter, you have to be extremely flexible. Like if you want to start the car and push the start, but you're in the back seat, you got to push the brake and push the button at the same time. Got to be able to do it. We're at 40 minutes, but I'm gonna put the gaskets back in and include that in the time, because that's proper. "42 minutes. It's pretty good. 42 minutes, that's the fastest I've ever actually tinted a car. So if you want to be able to tint a car within 42 minutes, you better be an Expel dealer to have Expel D.I.Y software. Kind of like my dream is, when I'm done and retired, Expel better be 10 times larger than what it is right now, have complete control of the market, and hire me. That's what I'm looking forward to. I will be back. Jaguar F-Pace 2020, matching the back. So, mark this car as in progress. Bam. Let's do it. Got a little smudge. Does that look alright? Curve in the top. So when you love what you do and you have fun with what you do, it's not work, is it? I need some water. Now the only downside to having a large shop is walking back and forth within it. But that could also be a plus side because you get exercise. Goes both ways. Do not roll down. Sweater weather. Here's like my last car I got done. I had to bring it back to them like 3 times and it's still not right. All of my friends told me to go to you. They say you're the best, so let's make it happen. Yeah, absolutely. It's a comfortable area, Netflix on the TV, got a 65-inch, you can sit back and relax.
Enjoy the rest of the day. I'll see you tomorrow morning.
When you're nice to your customers and you treat them professionally, they go with your flow. If you want to run a business, you got to be a multitasker, right? Right. So this 2020 BMW 330i sedan is getting 20% Expel Prime color stable window film cut by Expel D.I.Y, of course. How's the interior look on that thing?
Good.
No? It's a little chilly out. Film's taking a little while to stick, so I'm gonna throw the IR lamp on it while I do the other side. And that's it. That is going to be the last car for me today. I have an emergency business matter I have to go attend to, but I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed the 4 cars we did. 4?
I think so.
4 cars. So enjoy the process. Comment, like, subscribe. Peace.